Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix workouts not saving on Ladder. So if your workout is not saving on this app using your iPhone or iOS, it's usually a sync or connection issue. So actually guys, first you will need to swipe up from the top right corner of your phone and then just go and tap and hold it right here. And here you will need to switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data. Okay, and even you can turn on and off the airplane mode and make sure your connection is stable before exiting the workout. Also guys, I do really advise you to stay in the app until it finishes saving. So after finishing a workout, wait a few seconds on the completed screen and don't close the app immediately or switch apps too fast. So if that doesn't help, you will need just to first close and reopen Ladder. And to do that, you will need to swipe up from the bottom of your phone and then just close Ladder completely by swiping it up, and then just check if the workout appears in the history by reopening the app and check. Also guys, you will need to restart your iPhone as well, so this helps fix temporary syncing glitches. So if that doesn't help and the issue is still going on, you will need to look for an update for the app. So just go with your Apple App Store and then just look for the Ladder app or tap on your profile icon that's located at the top right or profile picture. So here you will need just to go with upcoming automatic updates right here and look for Ladder and update it. Okay, so find it and click on updates or tap on updates if available. Also guys, you will need to disable the low power mode from here. So if it's on, just go ahead and tap on it, turn it off. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.